Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner, and today I just wanna react and I wanna hear your thoughts on the new Tudor Pelagos. Tudor Pelagos is my favorite Tudor by far. Black Bay, it's not it's miles ahead below Pelagos, and I truly love that watch. And a couple of days ago, Tudor came out with the new Pelagos. And the new Pelagos, of course, unfortunately, I cannot check it out right now. Maybe in the future. I'm not one of those big channels that can get their hands on right now. So I will put you a couple of press release photos. And I just want to discuss what's up with the new Tudor Pelagos. If you ask me, the old Pelagos was perfect and still is perfect. I especially like the first generation of Tudor Pelagos with the ETA movement, two-liner, 42, I think it's 42 mils with the date. The cool thing would be that it has no date, but it's got a date, still perfect. Love the bracelet. It was one of my first Tudor watches, and after Pelagos I had Black Bays for a short period of time. They never really impressed me as much as the Pelagos did, and I was always impressed. It was perfect watch. The matte dial, the matte bezel, the titanium. Before that, I was kind of skeptical towards titanium watches. I thought titanium, nah, I don't like it. It's gonna be too light. But once I took it and put it on my wrist, it all changed. So, new Pelagos is 39 mils across the diameter. It's 39 mils. So I don't know what to think about that size. For my wrist, 40 or 42, it's kind of perfect. I like 40. 40 is sweet spot. 39, I guess it's okay, but I will need to put it on my wrist before making judgment about that. I know a lot of you guys do like the 39 mils. You think it's a perfect size. And fair play, I think the watch sizes are going down a lot these days, and the trend of smaller watches is definitely there. A 39 is not a small watch by all means, but it's just small comparing to the 10 years ago watches, which were like dinner plates. I think it's okay size, but I will need to put it on my wrist. I would like to hear, what do you think? Do you prefer the old Pelagos size or the 39? The other difference I saw, it has a T-lock bracelet. I think the first Tudor bracelet and patented clasp with quick adjustment was just perfect. One of the best in the game. I did a videos about Tudor Pelagos. You can check it out. You can also check out my first reaction to Tudor Pelagos. I was over the moon. I love that watch, and I really would like to get it back, which probably I will. Tudor it's my favorite Tudor by far, the black one, not the blue one. So it has 39 mils across the diameter. It has glossy dial, like a sunburst dial. Usually, I'm a fan of those dials, but have not seen it in the flesh. I'm gonna say I like the old Tudor dial because it's just perfect. When you zoom it in, you put it under the loop in the back row, everything's perfect, and I just love it. And I like the bezel, the matte black ceramic bezel. Perfect. You didn't even know it's ceramic. Now I see it has a shiny bezel and a shiny dial. Again, I'm gonna need to see it in the flesh, but so far I'm liking the old Tudor bit more just now, but I'm reserving my opinion until I see it in the flesh, because when you see something in the flesh, it's completely different than the photos and videos and whatnot. Video is a good indicator, but seeing something in the flesh, it's completely different story. And I'm gonna reserve it. There's also tiny little bit of a red lettering on the dial. Usually I'm a fan, but this time I'm kind of like monochromatic gray, black, white look of the Pelagos. It's just perfect. So again, not the biggest fan. Maybe on some other watches I am. I like a little bit of a red, but on this watch, not the biggest fan again. It has the in-house movement now compared to the other movements before. The first gen had the ETA. I like ETA because it's easy to service. Everyone can service it, and there are parts readily available all over the place. So that's definitely big plus for me personally. What else? Yeah, water resistance is a bit lower. The original Pelagos had a 500-meter water resistance. This one has a bit lower water resistance. So I don't know. Also, the MSRP, the retail recommended retail price, is a bit cheaper for this watch than on the Pelagos. What I would like to see on Tudor Pelagos, maybe sometimes in the future, is grade 5 titanium. This is only grade 2 titanium. It works great. It works for that watch, but I think the grade 5 titanium should be used for the Tudor Pelagos. So this is completely unscripted and whatnot. I just turned on the camera. I'm actually I'm a bit sick. As you can see, I'm a bit red in the face as well. And just saw these photos. I wanted to react yesterday, but I just wanted to compose my thoughts a little bit. Of course, I love Pelagos, and even the new one, I would love it. But I think somehow it's an improvement overall for a watch. But you cannot blame me for liking the old version a bit more than the new version, at least for now. So yeah, I would like to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the new Pelagos? Is the Black Bay 58 now passé? Are you selling your 58 to get a Pelagos? Are you having a 58 and you want to buy Pelagos? Or do you think it's stupid to have two Tudors? I think personally that you can have both Black Bay and Pelagos in your collection if you like something, if you like Tudor. Is Omega Seamaster better than Tudor? I think it is. But I do love the charm of the Tudor so much. And the bracelet on the Tudor, I prefer it over the Omega's bracelet as well. So please give me your thoughts in the comments down below. And I would like to hear what do you think about the new Pelagos. So this is my 2 cents. Yeah, just remember this is my personal opinion, so no hard feelings. See you guys.